Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be teaching you English. The name of the lesson is Sunil and Anil Learn a Lesson. Children, do you like to share your things with your sister, brother or your friends? Sometimes you may feel to share, sometimes you may not or fight with them. Children, in this lesson, we are going to see how twins were behaving while sharing their things. Sunil and Anil were twins. They shared everything. They shared the same birthday, the same bedroom, and the same friends. Children, do you know what do you mean by twins? Twins means children born as a pair at one birth. Here Sunil and Anil were twins. They shared everything. Shared means having a portion of something with others. Sunil and Anil used to share the same birthday, the same bedroom, and the same friends. They both played for the same football team, and both the boys shared all the same toys. Here, children, Sunil and Anil used to play for the same football team. Team means a group of players, and they both used to share all the same toys. One Saturday, Sunil and Anil went outside to play with their red toy wagon. The twins loved the toy wagon. Children, one Saturday, both twins went outside to play with their red toy wagon. Wagon means a vehicle with four wheels used for carrying things. The twins used to love the toy wagon. I want to give my stuffed toys a ride, said Sunil. I want to collect rocks, said Anil. Sunil said that he want to give his stuffed toys a ride. Stuffed means filled with something like fabric or any other material. Ride means a drive. Sunil wants to give his stuffed toys a drive. Anil said that he wants to collect rocks. Collect means gather. He wants to gather rocks. Before closing today's session, now let us learn about homophones topic in grammar. Children, homophones are the words that sound the same but they have different spellings and different meanings. It means that homophones are the set of words that have different spellings and different meanings but they have same pronunciation. Those words are called as homophones. Now let us look at some examples. PAIR pair, PEAR pair. PAIR pair is a set of two things used together. PEAR pear is a sweet fruit. ONE1, WON1. ONE refers to a number. WON refers to victory. Here the words are having different spellings and different meanings but the pronunciation is same. WRITE right. RIGHT right. WRITE refers to the act of writing something, whereas RIGHT refers towards the right side of a person or a thing. RED red. READ red. RED red refers to a color, whereas READ refers to the act of reading something. NOT not. KNOT not. NOT not is saying no to something, whereas KNOT not is a loop made by a piece of rope. Now let us discuss about some homophone sentences. I love to listen a fairy tale. The dog is wagging his tail. TALE means story. TAIL, it refers to the animal's tail. Here both the words have different meanings and different spellings but the pronunciation is same. We had to wait in a queue. I checked the weight of the apple. WAIT weight refers to staying where one is, whereas WIGHT weight it determines the quantity of an object or a thing. We see with our eyes. I love to swim in the sea. SEE refers to watching something, whereas SEA refers to a large lake. My right eye is watering. I am very smart. Here, EYE refers to the external organ of sight, whereas I refer to the person speaking. Children, now let us watch a video regarding homophones to understand the topic better.
Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. For example, blue and blue. These two words sound alike but have different spellings and have different meanings. The word blue is a color, and the other word blue means flew off. Such words are called homophones. Sun is the child of a parent, and sun is the light body that lights up the earth. Weak is being unwell or without strength. Week is the word for the 7 days together.
Homophone monkey sits in a tree, thinking of tricks to play on me. His homophones, they sound the same, but mean something different, that's his game. He offered me a flower, pretty and white, then dumped flour on my head, what a sight. He winked at my shoes, did I want a new pair, then handed me a pair, now that wasn't fair. I giggled and said, look at your hair. He felt his head and a hair was there. My homophones, they sound the same, but mean something different, that's my game.
Children, now let us learn a few new words. First one, TWINS, twins. Second one, SHARED, shade. Third one, BIRTHDAY, birthday. Fourth one, FRIENDS, friends. Fifth one, FOOTBALL, football. Sixth one, WAGON, wagon. Seventh one, STUFFED, stuffed. Eighth one, COLLECT, collect. Hope you all have understood today's class. Do write the given assignments neatly in your class workbook. Let us meet in the next session, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.